One of my favorite things for your garden, toilet paper rolls. I'm not kidding. These little guys have what's called carbon, and carbon is one of the main nutrients that you need in your garden. So instead of throwing these little guys out, break them up, put them in your kitchen composter, transfer that to your outside composter, and they're going to break down and add carbon to your soil. So why do we want carbon? It's an energy source. It's the best building block. It makes up about 50% of the mass of what we call microbial cells. So those little microbial cells that you can barely see, or maybe you can't even see them, they're taking that waste and they're breaking it down and they're turning it into nutrients for the garden. So these little toilet paper rolls are like gold in your garden. So don't forget, this little toilet paper roll is cardboard, which came from trees. So let's take it and put it back into the earth and benefit from the carbon nutrients that we get out of this. The carbon is energy, right? So I'd love for you to have a great day. I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nana the Glam Gardener. It's a lot of fun. See you later. Have a great day.